Good everyone. See here mensuration problem. In the figure, the inside perimeter of a running track with semicircular ends and straight parallel sides is 312 centimeter. The length of straight portion of the track is 90 meters. If the track has uniform width of 2 meters, through find its area. Means here see semicircular ends are there in the figure and straight portion they give 90 meters and semicircular ends. Okay. So here and they give perimeter. And they are asking track area, running track area. Given the perimeter is 312 centimeters, 312 centimeters. The inside perimeter of a practice running track with semicircular ends. With semicircular, inside is these two. With semicircular ends. And straight parallel track. This track. Semicircular ends. And this straight track. Perimeter. These two circular ends. Plus straight portion. That is, let the inner radius of a circular track be r centimeter. Inside perimeter is circumference of semicircular track plus two straight tracks. Means these two plus this and this. That is 312 meters equals to. So let the inner radius of a circular track be r centimeters. Means inner radius we are taking r centimeters. So now perimeter is equals to circumference of semicircular track plus two straight portions of track. That is 312 meters equals to circumference of semicircular track. Semicircular. How many? Two are there? Means circular track. Perimeter. 2 pi r circumference. This 2 pi r plus straight portion 90 meters plus 90 meters. That is 2 pi r equals to 312 minus 90 plus 90, 180. That is 132 meters. To r is equals to 132 into 2 pi r is equals to 132 meters. Now r is equals to 132 into 2 reciprocal 1 upon 2 meter. Pi means 22 upon 7. That is 7 upon 22. 2 into 22, 44. 44 1 jar, 44 3 z. That is 132. So 3 into 7, 21 meters. Means inner radius is 21 meters. And they are asking, now they gave out width they gave. Uniform width 2 meters. Means outer radius, that is width plus inner radius. That is small r plus 2 meters. That is 23 meters. 21 plus 2 meters, 23 meters. Now, because width of the track is 2 meters. Outer radius means inner radius. Outer radius means inner radius plus width. In outer radius means inner radius is width. They give width. We found inner radius with the perimeter. Then small r plus 2 meters width. That is 23 meters. 21 plus 2, 23 meters. That is the outer radius. Now required areas. They are asking to find area. Required area is, see, semicircular ends na 2 parts are there. That area, difference of semicircular ends area, plus 2 rectangles portions area. Measurement 90 into 2, 90 length, 2 width. 2 rectangles. That is half pi into r square minus r square. Plus half pi into r square minus r square. 2 are there na semicirculars. Plus length into breadth plus length into breadth. 90 into 2 plus 90 into 2. 90 into 2. Length into breadth is the area of a rectangle formula. That is 180 plus 180. 360 meters square. Half plus half, that is full na. This pi r square minus r square plus 360 meters square. Pi is 22 upon 7. See, r means outer radius 23 square minus inner radius 21 square. That is 529 minus 441. Here 88 meters will come. again multiply 22 upon 7 plus 360 meters square, that is 636.57 meter square required area.